721, Keyboard Mapping Crisis Part 1. Let's get into the code. So in the system index, we have 4 new systems: keyboard bindings, editor state, editor controller 1, editor controller 2. These are going to be functions only. These are going to be data only. And we're going to extract a lot of data from EddyGame and put it into EG state, because that stands for EddyGame state. We're doing all of this because we're running out of keyboard mappings, so we're going to need different keyboard modes depending on what kind of task we're currently using the engine for. In const macros by system, we have stubbed in the keybind, editor game state, edict1, and edict2 sections. Note that these sections should not have anything in them, because these are going to be function-only systems. In data by system, we have stubbed in keybind, EG state, edict1, and edict2. Once again, edict1 and 2 should be functions only. They should be grabbing their data from keybind and EG state. So nothing should go in here, and nothing should go in here, but for the regularity of the codebase, I need to have these sections. We've stubbed in the keybind functions, which there shouldn't be any, because keybind is data only. We've stubbed in EG state, which there shouldn't be any functions in here either, because this is a data-only system. And then these are the functions for the controller 1 and controller 2. Like and subscribe. I'm out of fucking time.